change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
Welcome, episode 5 of the bike build series. It's time to reveal the wheel set. The chase is on. Hunt wheels. A couple of you, or at least one, guessed already what's inside this box. But let's open it up and let's have a look. So this goes back to the World Championships, which this year were in Harrogate, and we took a trip down to see the racing, and also to do the UCI Sportif, which I think was on the Sunday. So while there, we went to the expo and had a little look round at the bikes and all the other bits and bobs that were there. And one of the people who was had a stall was Hunt Wheels. Now, knowing that I was building a new bike, I've obviously been checking out the internet and looking for something, and looking and looking. And as I said before, this new bike build for the 2020 season, it had to be light and fast. So I was on the lookout for the lightest possible wheel set I could get, but also ones which were fairly aero. And yeah, whilst there, came across these wheels. Now at the time they weren't for sale. They were finished, but they weren't launched fully on the website. Anyway, let's have a look inside this box. So as you would expect, we have some Hunt branded quick release skewers, and then some special brake pads, and also some valves. So these wheels are tubeless ready. You can probably guess with the fact that they come with special brake pads. And also, if you've been paying attention, I think it was on episode 2 where I teased the weight. The weight of these wheels means they can only be made of one thing: carbon. Nothing else in the box. There we are. So, these are just a thing of beauty. Absolutely beautiful. So we have ceramic speed hubs. We have 36mm unidirectional carbon. And a full carbon spoke. So my wheels were built by Victor. Good job, Victor. What else is on this little thing? Spoke tension on the front drive, the front non-drive, the rear non-drive. Check for deflection, vertical and horizontal. Check the dishing. Signed it. Product serial number. Done. I cannot wait to get these done. I mean, I don't know. I'm hoping you can see just how beautiful. In fact, can you see just how beautiful that carbon layup is? They look stunning. Full carbon wheel, full carbon track bed, brake track, carbon bladed spokes, ceramic speed bearings, $1,300. I can't remember actually. What did I say in episode 2? 1,346 was it? Grams for the set. So obviously these are going to be done up with well, obviously a new pair. But the current tires that I'm running on this year's race bike was the Schwalbe 1 Pro tubeless. They are fast, they're light, the rolling resistance is amazing. So I just need to obviously get them unpacked. They're through in the other room and stick them on. I'll probably do another little video about setting up tubeless wheels. There's not a great deal to be done, but obviously the thing with the tubeless tyre versus a regular clincher, they are just that little bit tighter. So you've got to do a couple of little extra steps just to get them onto the rims. And once they're on the rims, obviously either using a proper compressor or maybe just even a little CO2 canister just to give that oof, just to get them seated properly. Then you can obviously deflate them again a little bit, get your sealant in and then pump them up. Obviously the thing with tubeless, run them at much lower PSI than regular tubes. Yeah, love it. Cannot wait to get these. These are just a thing of beauty. And as I said, when I saw these in Yorkshire, there was just no doubt. One, the weight is phenomenal. They are by far the lightest wheels that I'd been looking at. And yes, they were a little bit more than my price range was hoping to be at. But I think you know, they're just they're stunning. I cannot actually put into words how beautiful these rims look. If only it was next spring and I could get these out on the road. But these are not going anywhere in the wet, that's for sure. Amazing. Anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. 2 more things still to come. Handlebars and stem. Now I talked about that in the last video. I'm looking for a carbon aero bar. Again, weight is an issue. I'm looking for the lightest possible. I'm also considering narrowing my handlebars. So currently I'm on a 42. I'm thinking of dropping down to a 40, possibly even a 38. We'll see. I've not quite decided yet. So stem and handlebars is the last part of the puzzle, and then we'll obviously get cracking with the build, because everything, once those 2 items have arrived, is here and it's time to start building. So that'll be the next video, is we'll start building the bike up. Anyway, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. Honestly, I cannot. These are just, look at them, beautiful, Absolutely beautiful. Look at those. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Cannot wait. And they just, look at that. They just roll and roll and roll. Is it actually going to stop? Just keeps going. There we go. Right, anyway, that's going to be it for today's video. As ever, if you've enjoyed it, consider dropping me a thumbs up. I always appreciate your support. So hit that like button, smash it, tickle it. You know the score. 2019 is nearly over. It's your choice. Use it, don't use it. Share the video, spread the love. You've got to spread the love for these wheels. Love it. Absolutely love it. Anyway, that's it. Enjoy yourselves. Merry Christmas. Ride on. Zoom.
There is a place where we can go.